So, makulimlim na araw po. Today. So, magiging maulan po today. Nag-uulan pa yung dalawa, oh. Magiging maulan po siya starting 9. So, 9, mga 2 hours. Sastigats, ulan ulit. So, even though it's a rainy day, so, marami man may ayaw ng rainy day at isa na ako doon. But, let us appreciate the rain. Like, those raindrops are overflowing blessings from God. So, abala man sa maraming tao. So, the rain, talagang blessing sila. Lalo na sa mga puno at halaman na naghihintay sa kanila. At syempre, para maibsan yung init ng panahon, so thank God for rainy days. So tulad din ng mga problema ang kinakaharap natin. So pag maraming problema, rainy day talaga ang dating ng buhay, diba? But God is faithful. God is faithful. Hindi niya tayo pababayaan. He is always with us. The spirit that we have, the spirit of God that we have within us, and all the ministering spirits, the angels that He has sent to protect us. So we don't have to worry about everything, but we just have to really live our life with fear of Him. Let's always thank Him for His love, for His unconditional love. He loves us. He loved us, and He loves us not because you are lovable, not because we are lovable, but He loves us because of who we are. He loves us unconditionally. And we have to thank God, and we have to be always thankful, and we should not forget about it. God loves us, and thank God for that love. God bless us all.